Well, hey everybody, I'm Paul Gross. Let's get you updated on the forecast, which will be fairly quiet through the weekend, but then we have another storm system to talk about for Sunday night. We'll get to that. But first, for today, nothing worse than just a few flurries. The organized snow pattern has finally moved off to the east, so it's just lots of clouds with an occasional batch of flurries coming through, but nothing that'll have any impact. We may get partial clearing for a bit overnight, but we cloud right back up on Sunday. Now, this model is trying to spit out a few wet snowflakes or raindrops during the day on Sunday. Honestly, I'm not sure that we're going to see that. I think we're going to be dry through the daylight hours. It won't be until that low gets closer and we get into that warm sector that we start seeing rain showers break out and become more numerous Sunday night. And then it's in the middle of the night that that cold front comes through, and that will usher out the rain, but it's also going to usher in much colder air. So temperatures will initially go up to 40 degrees perhaps during the evening hours and into the first part of Sunday night, and then crash back down through the 30s on Mondays. It becomes windy and maybe get a few scattered snow showers, but no big deal. Once again, a low passing to our northwest means we don't get on the colder side of it. And you can see snow forecast here is almost nothing, so we're not looking for any accumulation. But I want to show you what we're going to be missing middle of next week. Now, you see, this is for the system going through on Sunday. You see that little stripe there from Wisconsin up through the UP. We're talking maybe a couple inches, maybe a little bit more in some spots. But look once again what misses us. This is another major storm that will miss us to the northwest. And that means we're on the warm side. We could get an inch or more of rain Wednesday night into Thursday. But on the other side of that storm, another massive storm with possible blizzard conditions. So we're living large, folks. We are missing out on these massive winter storms. This is, I think, the third one now in the past 2 weeks that we're missing out on. Maybe the past week. Anyhow, 31 degrees for the high. That compares to yesterday's low to mid-20s for a high. So, there'll be a breeze out there, which will make it feel colder, but it will definitely not feel as cold as it did on Friday. And then as you move through Sunday, again, moving through the 30s Sunday afternoon, perhaps to a high of around 40 in the evening hours. But then that front comes through. We crash back down through the 30s on Monday. So the rain is Sunday night. And then we have maybe a few scattered snow showers on Monday. Tuesday, the only day with any meaningful sunshine, upper 20s, light wind. That's actually going to be a pretty decent winter day. And then Wednesday night into Thursdays when that storm comes through. It's too early to say, however, if that rain will be out of here in time for New Year's Eve.